fucking heart attack. Jesus. Mission accomplished.
That was our.
Alright, see ya.
Eric, wait, take the cooler.
You take the cooler, I'll take the pizza.
We've overstayed our welcome. Let's take the cooler.
Alright, grab the cooler, we're all going back to our house.
Somebody give me a beer. Turn around.
Oh,
There's black and tans in here.
Sweet.
Oh, you need light bulbs.
I got this hacks.
Stop
You
now.
now
Have
have
no
no
light bulb in your office.
We
I
have to
took
take
it
it out to put in here.
I said take one out of my mom's room. I don't care.
Strong armed it.
That's really what she does, actually. She'll take it from every room and then she'll buy them.
Happy going away! Yay!
Thank you. Thank you.